We have started with a first page, that is a bibliographic information is there. Then you have seen that okay, abstract is present on the first page. Then you can see how many claims are there. You can see that number on the first page. You can see one drawing in that particular first page. Also you can see how many total drawings will be there in the particular document. That also is mentioned on the first page. Then next you have seen that what is a field of invention, followed by the background. Then it gives the brief summary. Then you have seen the information about the diagrams, that is number of drawings which are present in the document. Then you can see the detailed description of the invention. And then after that description you have seen the claims in the claims which are what is claimed from that or through this document, that part is seen.